May God, in whose hand is the lot of each land, who rules over ocean and dry land, inspire our good King from his presence to fling ill advisers who'd ruin our island. Don't we feel 'tis our dear native island, a fertile and fine little island? May orange and green no longer be seen, disdained with the blood of our island. The fair ones we prize declare they despise those who'd make it a slavish and vile land. Be their smiles our reward, and we'll gallantly guard all the rights and delights of our island. For oh, 'tis a lovely green island, bright beauties adorn our island. At St. Patrick's command, vipers kitted our land, but he's wanted again in our island. For her interest and pride, we oft fought by her side, with England that haughty and highland. May we do so again, if she'd let us remain a free and a flourishing island. But she, like a crafty and sly land, dissension excites in our island, and our feuds to adjust, she'd lay in the dust all the freedom and strength of our island. Though now she says no, we agreed with that surly and shy land, that each is a friend should the other defend, and the crown be the link of each island. 'Twas the final state bond of each island, independence we swore to each island. Are we grown so absurd as to credit her word, when she's breaking her oath with our island? Let us steadily stand by our king and our land, and it shan't be a slavish or vile land, nor impotent pit unpunished commit an attempt on the rights of our island. Each voice should resound through our island, you're my neighbor, but bull, this is my land, nature's favorite spot, and I'd sooner be shot than surrender the rights of our